everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Fandango gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can easily redeem your Fandango gift card by visiting either fandango.com, flixster.com or the Fandango or Flixster apps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it by visiting your fandango.com account. So open up a web browser first, and soon after the URL box pops up, go and type in fandango.com into the search box. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official site. Make sure to log into your fandango.com account. Simply click on the sign in/join button at the top right from the main homepage. If you've not created an account on Fandango yet, go ahead and join now for free by entering your details in the text boxes. If you already have an account, click on sign in at the top right and enter your email address followed by your fandango.com account's password and click sign in. Once you're logged into your fandango.com account, go ahead and select a showtime and give it a click. Once you do that, select your showtime according to your choice. Select the number of tickets you'd like to purchase. You can choose for adults, child, or a senior member. And once you select enough tickets, click the next button. Choose your preferred seat and click the next button. Now on the next page, go ahead and scroll down to payment option, and while selecting a payment method, click on use gift card or promo code option. Select Fandango gift card from the options on the next page in order to redeem your Fandango gift card. Now get your Fandango gift card ready on your hand. Enter the card number or your claim code in the text box, and now enter your PIN number available on your card. Finally, click the apply button in order to redeem your Fandango gift card. If your purchase is more than the value of your gift card, then you'll have to pay the remaining balance with another methods of payment. That is how you can easily redeem your Fandango gift card and apply it on your purchase. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.